Hi, I'm Associate Dean Joel Nichols here at the University of St. Thomas. Welcome to a classroom space. I hope that you will join us here soon. One of the things I want you to see is these podiums are overly big. And one thing I want to convey to you is I don't like standing behind you. So I'm going to walk out front, which I usually do when I teach. And a lot of our professors will do because we want to be close to you and engage with you and not just lecturing at you from behind the podium. I've typically taught first-year contracts for the last several years here. I'll be teaching family law in the fall, as well as having kind of the Associate Dean responsibilities. I've been at St. Thomas myself for 6 years. I taught at Pepperdine for 4 years before that. But mostly, I want to welcome you to St. Thomas and hope that you'll join us here. And in just these couple of minutes I have, let me talk about two main things that I hope will be kind of information to you and help you in your decision making, and then encourage you to call me or send me an email if you have other questions, if I can help in any way. The first thing is, as Associate Dean, I get to talk about our faculty, and they are great. You've seen some and met some of our faculty, I hope, and seen other videos, but our faculty are top-notch scholars, recently kind of rated as in the top 30 in the United States in terms of scholarly impact out of 200 law schools. But more than that, it's not just scholarship that they do, they're really top-notch teachers. So we've got the dean is listed as one of the 26 law professors you have to take before you die. Or Professor Jerry Organ, who's one of the 26 most influential people in legal education. Or Professor Nikema Levy-Powles, who just got the Emerging Clinician Award in the United States. And one after another, our faculty are really quality people who want to interact and engage with you, to take you to lunch when you're here, as well as be in the classroom with you, to know you well enough to write letters of recommendation for you, so that you have to not just say, well, who do I know to write a letter of recommendation, but which of my professors that I know fits best for this. That's the kind of relationship that we want to have with you, in addition to the really high-quality scholarship that's going on here. The other piece that I have main responsibility for here is our curriculum. I'm happy to talk to any of you more about this, but we've got two pieces that I want to emphasize. One of them is our curriculum is really built for strength. There's a core in the first year of 31 credit hours, kind of the staple first-year courses, contracts, torts, civil procedure, lawyering skills, and it goes on in the second semester, and a few upper-level courses that you're going to go through. And then there are clusters of courses that you can take as you go on to your second and third year based on what you're interested in. If you're interested in tax, there's a cluster of courses we can put together and that you could take for that, or business law, or family law, and we can talk more about that. The other thing that is built in our curriculum is that we want to be experience-based and practical. And so in your upper two years, we have clinical experiences, practicum-based experiences, externship-based experiences, a whole host of experience-based learning that we want you to become engaged in, and I strongly encourage all of our current students and incoming students to take advantage of. We've added a lot of new clinical spots in nonprofit clinics, commutations, appellate advocacy, bankruptcy, that go along with our well-established clinics in elder law, community justice project, and the immigration clinic. We have over 100 unique clinic spots just in the coming year for students to take. We also have practicum courses you could take. These are simulated experiences when you don't have a real client like you do in the clinic, but simulated experiences under a professional where you're walking through what it means to be an attorney. Or you could take externship possibilities where you're working with a judge in a corporation here in the Twin Cities, in a public internship setting like the U.S. Attorney's Office or Public Defender's Office, where you're, again, getting that hands-on experience. We want you to have the core strength that you need and the practical experience that you need here at St. Thomas. We've set up our system to do that. You can work with great professors along the way to do it. I hope that you'll contact me if I have anything I can help you with. I'm Joel Nichols, the Associate Dean for Academics and a professor here. Welcome.